Hello everyone. Now we are moving towards our one of the major topic called MOOCs. Till now we have learned about classroom management. Using Google Classroom and Google Site, you can manage your regular classrooms. But we cannot consider that to be a MOOC. So what's the difference actually? The main difference is in the classroom management you just use these tools like Google Classroom for managing your classroom activities, like taking assignment, taking class test, posting or sharing study materials, etc. But in case of MOOC, it's a full-fledged course, just like our regular course, Bachelor of Science, BSc, BCom, BA. So these are the courses in which there are few steps involved, like the students get enrolled for that course through the admission process. They can be shortlisted, and then they can there is a date for enrollment and date of end of enrollment date, and there is date of starting of the course and end of the course, and in between there will be quizzes, assignments, and at the end there will be final exam, and you will get the certificate. So this is like a course. And in case of MOOC, this is similar, but the whole thing is in online process. Let us see some examples of MOOC. So there are few major players in MOOC like edX, Coursera, Udemy, so this is edX. You will have to register, and you can find thousands of courses here. So you can see the subjects. You can find the MOOC by subjects. So for example, suppose I want to know about history. There are different courses. So these are the courses in which you can enroll, in which the enrollment has been started. You can find self-paced course also, so you can enroll on this course anytime, and you can go by your own pace. So that's self-paced, and this is instructor paced. So instructor will decide the enrollment date and end date and examination dates. So these are a few courses, and if you go to any course, then you can enroll, and these are the basic descriptions. I hope you are familiar with this platform, because we have also used edX platform, that the open source version of edX called OpenEdX, for designing our MOOC course. So basically this FDP is you can consider this FDP to be a MOOC course rather than some classroom management type of thing. The Coursera, you can also explore Coursera, and it's similar to edX and older than edX. So there are hundreds of universities and industries, and the courses are there. You can enroll in any course, and if you want a certificate, then you will have to pay for it. Otherwise, most of the courses without certification, you can get access to the contents. So Udemy is a bit different, and it's you can, if you have some course, and you can launch on Udemy. So it's more on a business side. So you can find different type of courses here. Alright, so this is about few of the platforms for pursuing MOOC course.